Hello, and welcome back to another BAW tutorial. Today, we'll be going through how you can submit an RMA online. Let's get started. So first, you want to start on the BAW homepage. Then, you want to go ahead and scroll all the way down. Then underneath Customer Service, go ahead and click on Request RMA. Once you're on this page, just go ahead and input all your information, such as your company name, contact email, the invoice that you're trying to return, and the subject. Then you can go ahead and leave a comment if you'd like. If you're returning a piece because it was damaged in transit or you believe it was damaged on our end, go ahead and upload a picture here on Choose File. Keep in mind, damaged pieces must be returned within 3 days. Any other piece can be returned within 30 days. Once you have input all the correct information, you can go ahead and click on Submit, and you should be receiving an RMA confirmation email from us soon. Please keep in mind, all RMA returns are subject to a 15% restocking fee if you do not place an order of at least 80% value or more. This concludes the RMA return walkthrough. If you have any other questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below, or feel free to call us anytime at 800-493-3745.